How to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without backup on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open File Manager in your device, then at the bottom click on Storage. After you click on Storage in here, click on Internal Storage at the top. In Internal Storage, click on Android at the top. After you click on Android, in here click on Media. After you're in the media, simply scroll down in here and click on WhatsApp. Then click on WhatsApp again. Click on Databases, which will lead you to this page. Here you'll find all your messages. Simply copy the recent one by simply selecting it. After you've selected it, press on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find Copy option at the top. Click on Copy. Then it will lead you to this page again. Click on Internal Storage, Android. Then in Android, simply scroll down, click on Media. After you click on Media, you'll find com.whatsapp. Click on it. Then click on WhatsApp again. Click on Backups. And at the top right, click on Paste. After you've pasted it, the WhatsApp message will be recovered. And this is how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without backup on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.